Your Wi-Fi is slow, not because your router is bad, but because it's set up wrong. I'll fix it for you in 3 easy steps, and it takes less than 2 minutes. Let's boost that Wi-Fi now. First, download a Wi-Fi Analyzer app. Most routers use the same default channel, which gets super crowded and slow. Use the app to find and choose the least crowded channel for a quick speed boost. For 2.4 GHz, that's usually channel 1, 6, or 11. Next, log into your router settings. Your router might be stuck on an old, slow Wi-Fi mode. Switch it to EC or AX only and make sure to turn off mixed mode. This forces your devices to use the fastest connection available. Finally, kill interference. A huge mistake is hiding your router behind a TV or in a cabinet. The best spot for your router is high up, out in the open, and in a central location in your home. You should see your real speed now, not just more bars. Next, I'll show you how to stop your internet provider from throttling your speed. Subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.